Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to count money. If you're wondering why I'm doing this video, it's because lately I've been hearing some people don't know how to count money. So since I got my allowance today, I was going to show you guys how to count. Okay, what you'll need, some paper money that isn't $1 bills. Just some change, not all pennies, but mix it up. A sheet of paper and a pen, pencil, whatever you're using. Okay, let's start with the change. Start with easiest. We got pennies. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so right there on the paper. 15, 20. Okay. Now to the nickels. 5. There's only one, so 5 nickels. Now we are going to do dimes. But 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Yes. 70 dimes. And then quarter. 15, okay, so now if you have that, we're going to go on to the paper money. That's 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. But if you don't know how to do that, take the 1, because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you want, you can go 5, $1, and put a dollar sign. And then $1 bills, $1,000 bills. Okay. And then go 2 pens. Okay, so that. Okay, now you want to add it all up, starting with the change. So that would be 5, 10, 15, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's $1.15. And down here you have $1 plus 5 plus $5 bills makes it $25 plus 115, 26.15. There's your final total. So I hope you guys enjoyed this how to count money video. And if you want any more like this on how to count money or how to do anything, I might be making a new channel for that specifically. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and bye guys!